Morning guys. Saturday morning, and I have actually trying out my sunroof mount with the extended arm, so that the camera is now located more and less on par with my eye level. So let's see if it makes any difference when it comes to doing my GoPro recording. So all is well so far. 1 week owning the car, and I have actually taken the car to Genting drive with my wife, and it drives so smoothly, very powerful. It doesn't struggle when climbing, and yeah, it's quite fun, and it's actually quite nimble, I would say, when it comes to maneuvering the car. But of course, it's a SUV, it's tall, so the body roll is inevitable, but at an acceptable range, I would say. And I have not even had a chance to install my dash cam yet, so I'm gonna do it after I have Gao Team with my warning message. I think it's very important to have a dash cam nowadays, especially the front and rear. One good thing with the sunroof is that when you do the recording, your cabin, you will ensure that your cabin doesn't look too dark, and because of the bright environment out there, so it won't like causing the recording or the visual to be overexposed. Okay, so let's do McDonald's drive-thru. Gonna buy my breakfast. So now you get to choose muffin and sandwich. So I think I'm gonna go for the sausage and scrambled egg sandwich. Hi, good morning. I nak one set sausage and scrambled egg sandwich. Yeah, and then for drinks I nak coffee ya. Sorry, itu saja. honest. Hi. Wave Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are through. Coffee aroma smell just nice. Wow, good morning. And okay, I think that is all for today. Just want to go and see whether this camera angle is good enough. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.